Solve the following equations. First one, t by 5 is equal to 10. Solution, t by 5 is equal to 10. Here cross multiply 10 into 5. Cross multiply it. 10 into 5. T is equal to 10 5 is 50 is answer. Second one, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Here also cross multiply it. 2x keep as it is. 18 3 into 3. 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 18 3 is 54. X is equal to 54. This 2 comes, divides 54 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. X is equal to 27. Here 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Y is equal to, again here cross multiply it, 1.6 into 1.5. Here multiply these two. 16 into 15. 15 6 are 90. 0 carry 9. 16 1s are 15 1s are 15 plus 9 24. Here 1 2 digit after point. 2 digit after point. Y is equal to 2.40 is answer. Fourth one, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x is equal to 16. E minus 9, take right side of the equation, becomes plus 9. 7x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25. This 7 divides 25. Therefore x equal to 25 by 7.